Hey guys, Jen here from Raven Lou and Paper 2 sharing with you the Trapper Keeper I made for the Cheeky Bums Halloween swap. You could make a Trapper Keeper or you could make a coffin, and each one had different requirements. For the Trapper Keeper, we were to make the Trapper Keeper and 2 sets of embellishments to go inside of the Trapper Keeper and a set of stickers and a sequin mix. So all of mine are exactly the same. It was make 1 or 2, whatever you felt like, and you would get in return what you made. So I made 3 altogether, 1 for Lacy, of course, and 2 more for the other participants. And this is the cover of my Trapper Keeper here. The paper I have used is by Miss Kate Cuttables. It is last season's. It's called Spooky Season, and you can buy them on Amazon or through their website. I've also, on the front of Lacy's here, I went ahead and added her name since this is the one I made specifically for her. And on all of the little ghosts here on the front, I've used my diamond dots to give it a little something extra, a little shimmer there. Let me see if I can get my camera to zoom in. There we go. So on the cheeks of all the little ghosts, I've added the diamond dots. Here on the little ephemera that I put on the front, I've used the same ghost. I did the print and cut, and I've added diamond dots for his eye shines and for his cheeks. And then I've added a little bit of glitter on this part right there. I popped up the boo sentiment so that it matched the front there, and then I've added one of the Dollar Tree stickers and did the faux stitching and diamond dots on it as well. For the side here, I have the spine. I put boo and some thickers that are the pink glitter. I added my sequin mix right here on the outside. It's just all in the little matching colors for the collection. And then I've made a little charm for the side as well. It's got little gummy bears and stars and ghosts and pom-poms and just some Halloween themed little charms. And then the back is the exact same paper, and it's done the exact same way. Alright, let's open this guy up. Alright, oh, it's on the dangle there. Okay. So in the front pocket over here, I have used one of the stickers that came with the collection. It says Halloween, and then I have made these little rosettes to go with it. These are some of my embellishments. Hold on. I have a layer of the Dollar Tree tulle with the fake snow on it, and I have some thread, and then I have this copper colored spider web. And then I've used some more of the Dollar Tree stickers, and then I cross-stitched this little matching pumpkin to go on this guy. And then on this one here, you can't really see it, but I've used a boo sequin, and I've added it so it hangs and dangles. And I cross-stitched a little ghost, and I've added little diamond dots to her cheeks as well, and gave her a cute little bow. Now for the front here, I made a little half shaker, and I used a piece of the ephemera and I sewed all around it on the ghost cheeks, the ghost, the boo, and then I did faux stitching around the outside here. And right here, this is filled with tiny little star glitter sequins, and it's just a little half-page divider there. And then on the other side, we have a little jack-o'-lantern. For our first folder, I'm sorry, it says on the tab here, it says Hey Boo, and then on the inside are little photo mats, because we were also supposed to use photo mats, because the goal is to use this as a Halloween album when we are done with this swap. Right there in that first little pocket was this little card, and I've used the Dollar Tree sentiment to do the boo on the front here of the envelope. And I have used this trick or treat cut apart here. I'm sorry, it's not a cut apart. It was I used my Cricut to make it. I believe it's also a Miss Kate's file as well. And it's just a little edge card here, and it says trick or treat, and then I have my information on the inside. After Hey Boo is the first divider, and on this first divider here on the tab it says October 31st, and then I have made another set of, another set of embellishments, and these are just some layered up ghosts. And I have them wearing a little witch hat, and then they have little banners with pumpkins and ghosts on them. And they're both pretty much exactly the same as well. To this page I've also added a paper clip that I made, or embellished, I'm sorry. And it's got a tiny little gummy bear, a little pink bead, and an iridescent star on it. Then we come to the second folder, and it says spooky on the side, and there are more little photo mats on the inside of this one. These just have little diagonal pockets. Then we come to the pocket here with the Velcro closure, and then inside of here is just ephemera pieces that I am sharing with them. Then for the last divider, I have made a simple little memory decks, and this was just popped up. I used my Cricut to print and cut the Boo Crew, which is part of the ephemera from the Miss Kate Cuttables, and I just bought and downloaded the digital file so that I could print and cut it with my Cricut, and I welded a memory deck space to the bottom of it. Here I've added a little dangle with some of the tiny little heshies on there, and then I've added little diamond dots all throughout to just give it a little bit of sparkle. And then we get to the final pocket there at the very back here, and this is housing the Dollar Tree stickers that I am including with this as well. And that is a real quick look at what I am sending for this swap. I'm running a little late, so I had to do this pretty quickly. I hope that everyone enjoys what I've made. If you guys have any questions or want the links to anything, it should be in the description box, but if it's missing, just let me know and I'll get back with you. Also, be sure to follow me not only here, but on Instagram and TikTok as well. Thanks, guys.